as was it top hat or strut mount from the rear.
Did all 4 for.
And then look, you see, look at it from the top, and you're like, it just looks factory. There's like no difference.
Huh.
Hidden.
Thank you, TJ Hunt, for like the.
Did he put those on?
Yeah, no, like I watched like a 4 or 5-year-old TJ Hunt video, and it helped hella. Like, yeah.
What do you think about your?
Beautiful.
Except there's one thing. But everything else is pretty cool.
Got 2 toes in there to make up for the automatic. No, I got 3 actually.
But you know what? At least he went to college.
Hey, don't forget about the Master Roshi.
Where is it? Where the fuck are? Where?
I guess Coca-Cola did a like partnership with Dragon Ball Z.
Where?
2 figures right behind you.
I don't see it.
Top shelf. Top left shelf.
Oh! Goku.
All right.
When did you get this?
I came in the mail this morning, and it's already greatly improved my life.
You ordered it online?
Yeah.
Specifically.
Did you get me one? How much are they?
That one was $5, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get one. Hold my phone. Free Bay.
Grievin Bay.
So what are these?
This is the rears. Hope I didn't botch anything.
Yeah.
Probably did, whatever. Sue me.
Fuck it, wing it.
Wing it, dude.
It's warranty.
Or at least it's not. Like are those progressive too? Or
This is linear. I thought
Linear.
progressive. Or oh wait, no, sorry. No. I think it is progressive because the spacing is.
unlike mine.
Sorry, I don't know. Forgive me. I don't know suspension that well.
I don't trust you anymore.
I don't trust the channel.
I trust this channel.
We shouldn't. At least it's
Go to Donut Media. They know more.
yeah, this is more hype than anything.
The battle scars up here, dude. From
What'd you do?
I'm standing on my roof,
Is that what you did?
popping a bottle of champagne. You see, like, there's like some champagne, like.
God dang it. Okay, so the passenger side just flung out, and the driver's side was fighting us for like 15 minutes.
Big.
Sorry.
Now no side's better. Dude.
I'm gonna go buy a torch. I'll be right back.
Alright, I'm gonna go hopefully not kill us.
Here. Now we're unboxing the Victory Torch. I was trying to use this old pencil butane thing. I don't know where to put it. Oh, the thing didn't work. Oh, it's over there. See that thing right there?
How do I zoom out of this thing?
Oh, see over there?
Oh, where?
That pencil thing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That didn't
There we
work.
go. That's trash. Basura.
Yeah. But now, we'll do the unboxing. While Jordan's struggles over there. I need to burn some stuff for my car. Every
Alright.
stoner's wet dream. The Victory Torch.
Bow, bow, bow. And where'd you get that?
The Nevadas.
Dude, don't forget
I
it.
got ID'd. I was like, one of these rags. Hey, does this smell like chloroform? Oh, I don't know. Oh, shit.
Will it blend? That branch.
Yeah.
Fuck that branch.
Smells like drifts.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Fuck Harbor Freight. Except not.
No, look at it burn. Watch it burn. Oh, the freaking smell. I told you it's gonna fucking smell, dude. We'll let it burn.
Alright.
How'd the rest of it come out?
Well, everything, it all worked out. I mean, the rear sucked, but the front was butter.
What are these wheels?
DOS. The official sponsor, TJ Hunt, dude.
Huh.
Cool, funny.
Thanks.
How are you doing over there, Android 17?
Alright.
Yeah,
Took me 5 hours to do this one.
5 hours later.
It was later. You're a military brat.
Parents moved around all the time.
All right, let's.
All right, no, we start from the rear.
No.
Get pumpkin.
We have to take the jacks out first, though.
Nope. So yeah, if you come straight or crank it left a little bit. Wow.
Alright, it works. Just drives away.